Yes, I farmer. All my people, you know, it's G, Weed Man, the Dan Dada. All is well. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. You know, it's Dan Dada. Okay. You're in Jamaica. All my videos, they'll be about Jamaica. This is the first one. You'll get some of me smoking, chilling, whatever. Okay, right now, I'm growing, as you can see, some ganja. Right now I'm going to show you the national fruit of Jamaica. That's a part of our national dish that we cook with saltfish, the ackee. Yeah, that's the ackee right there. Oh, let me show you pepper tree that I'm growing, because you know you got to grow your own things, make life cheaper. For pepper tree, small pepper coming up. Taking a tour down. It's like taking a tour down memory lane. I hope you all are well today. You're watching this video, just know you're a great person. Things not going the way how you want things to go. That's just for today. Tomorrow is a different day. Right here we have the avocado tree. Here it is. Not ready. Also growing another little kush right here. Yeah. This is the cherry tree right there. And this tree, it's good for cold and those type of things. We call it fever grass. Makes wonderful tea, you know? Yeah. Life is the greatest, you know? I love life. Nature itself is beautiful, you know? It's Jamaica. Only thing I would need is some money. You know? That's the view over there. It seems it's raining over that side. It's Kingston. Life is great, my people. And you know, tomorrow, my next video, I'll be smoking with some of you all who smoke. Yes, I will just be smoking and chilling. And please like and subscribe. You don't have to share, but like and subscribe, you know. Thank you. Respect, manners, and blessings, and blessings, and blessings, and blessings. Yes, I. Peace. Blessings.